Let's have a look at the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of 112 national highway projects spread across the country worth about 1 lakh crore this afternoon in Gurugram, Haryana. The projects inaugurated include the Haryana section of the landmark Dwarka Expressway, 3 packages of Lucknow Ring Road, the Anandapuram-Pendurti-Anakapalli section of National Highway 16 in Andhra Pradesh, and the Kiratpur to Nerchok section of National Highway 21 in Himachal Pradesh. Major projects for which the foundation stone was laid include the Bangalore-Kadapa-Vijayawada Express in Andhra Pradesh, 6 packages of Belgaum-Hungun-Raichur section of National Highway 748A in Karnataka, 3 packages of Shamli-Ambala Highway in Haryana, and 2 packages of Amritsar-Bathinda corridor in Punjab.
कि आज मुझे द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे को देश को समर्पित करने का अवसर मिला है। इस एक्सप्रेसवे पर 9,000 करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा खर्च किए गए हैं। आज से दिल्ली हरियाणा के बीच यातायात का अनुभव हमेशा के लिए बदल जाएगा।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that